it now from the crowd.
Oh, that is just not a good gesture. Oh, wow. There you see that point made by Coach Christian.
That's what I meant.
Bottles flying from the crowd. Oh, wow. That's crazy. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Marco Sari being escorted outside. And their security chief, Sir Rudy Distrito, trying to calm him down. Oh wow, this has gotten out of hand.
Yung mga tubig natin eh. I'm quite thirsty right now. This is our third game.
What a development here.
He shouldn't be thrown out though. He should not be thrown out. Because it seems that way, but you know, yung security natin is there to protect them.
Hey! Kapampangan, nalita mo po makanyan, paborentala po. Agyo tayo ini, basta mimisamentong tamo.
Now, I don't really understand Kapampangan. But there you see Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on the mic,
Kontrolan tayo po yung sarili tamo.
trying to tell the crowd here to calm down a bit.
Ating pa pong oras, guys. Agyo tayo po ini. Mag-pray tamo mo po.
Ooh, Lester Reyes getting tangled up with Balti Baltazar. Well, obviously, this is not one of our best moments in the MPBL. We have passionate fans each and every time we have our games. But for our fellow Kapampangans inside the Brenzigao Convention Center, we will continue to remind you guys to, of course, stay disciplined. And now they're hearing from Governor Coach Dennis Delta Pineda so that everything will be normalized, everything will be secure.
Makikipag-usap. Bakor ako na makikipag-usap. Give me time. Hey!
Well, alam mo, Migs, at the moment, the court is not playable. A lot of bottles were thrown that were probably half full. And it's sad, it's gonna delay even more.
Kapampangan, makisabi kong mayap, paboran tala rin yung makanini sitwasyon, nagyo tala rin nga. Be cool na, be cool. Datanging oras talaga mapalikilo, pero paboran tayong judgment na ni referee. Eh kayo mag-involve, ali dapat. Makisabi kong mayap, huwag natin pabayaan magulo tong laro na to. Lamang tayo, hindi natin kailangan magulo to. Lamang tayo, Kapampangan. Nakikiusap ako, wala namang babato. Pag nakita natin, automatic labas kayo ng court. Labas kayo ng court. Disiplina ang kailangan natin. Nakikiusap po ako sa inyo. Kapampangan, walang bibitaw. Kaya natin to. Walang bibitaw. Magdasal lang tayo. Kakayanin natin to.